Hi everyone. I wanted to do a simple example on the logical NOT operator. So I've written a quick program, or I've added to our week 10 program. Again, I'm using a scanner and I'm asking the user to enter a score, and I'm storing the value entered into a variable score. Now, I have a simple if statement here that says if the score is less than 5, I'm going to print a statement, the score is less than 5. But now here's where I introduce the not operator. If I put a not in front of this relational statement, if I say the score less than 5 not, if I say give me, that basically is like saying give me the opposite of that. So if I say not score less than 5, then what I'm really saying is the score is 5 or more. So let's go ahead and compile this and run it so you can see. I'll run it a couple times. I'll run it first with the score less than 5. Score is less than 5, just like we wanted. And now I'll run it again with the score bigger than 5. Score is 5 or more. I'll even run it with 5. Score is 5 or more. So that's how we use the not operator. And just, I'm going to fix this real fast and get rid of that parentheses. Now, I'm going to go ahead and comment that out for now, because now I want to show you how we create a statement, some statements that are more complicated. So I'm going to move this here just to be closer to the second question that I have. Okay, so we're going to ask the user to enter a score like before. Then we're going to ask the user to enter a temperature. Now here we have a couple different Boolean conditions that are more complex. So here's the first one. I say if the score is greater than or equal to 10 and the temperature is greater than or equal to 100, what I print is it's hot out and so am I. Well, I don't know what that means, but we'll just go with it. I copied that from. How about I change the statement? How about it's hot out and I have a score bigger than 10. How about bigger than 9? That would be more accurate. And then, so this is only going to print if both the score is bigger than 10 and the temperature is bigger than 100. I'm going to go ahead and hide our other thing that we were going to test. Okay, so I'm going to run this. Now with an AND operator, both conditions have to be true. So if I put in 11 for the score and 111 for the temperature, it's hot out and I have a score bigger than 9. And somewhere in here I have a random, I'm going to get rid of that. All right, so let's run it again. This time I'm going to put a score less than 10, so 9. And I'm going to put a score bigger than 100. And nothing happens because both of these relational Boolean expressions have to be true in order for this statement to print, to be true and to print. Let's put in a score of 11 and a temperature of 99. So this is true, this is false. It should not print this statement, and it doesn't. So again, I'll run it back to the beginning, put a score of 11 in, put in a score of 111, and now we see that this prints only when they're both true. So I'm going to go ahead and comment that out. Now we're going to take a look at the other expression or the other statement that I made. This time, all we're going to do is let's make it the same statement as above, but this time we're going to do an or. That'll be a consistent. And then even what I say, I'm going to copy that. I'm going to paste it in here. And I'm going to say it's hot out, or I have a score bigger than 9. So this time when we run this, the statement will be true if either score is bigger than 10, or the temperature is bigger than 100, or they're both true. So let's go ahead and run it. I'm going to enter a score of 11 and a temperature of 99. So the statement should print, and it does. I'm going to run it again, this time with the score less than 10, but a temperature bigger than 100, and the statement prints. I'm going to enter both bigger than 10 and bigger than 100, so 11, 111. And now I'm going to test it so it fails. So I'm going to enter a score of 5, the temperature of 55, and nothing happens. So that's the big difference between an and an or statement. So I hope that helps. Have a good week.